Hi my dear colleagues, we just finished our hands-on gentle aesthetic course in Dubai with the help of the PSP Medicals, with the organization of the PSP Medicals. I want to ask to my dear colleagues, they are coming from different countries. I'm very happy to see them in Dubai. Yes, it's your turn. What would you like to say about this 3 days gentle aesthetic hands-on course? Are you happy? What are you thinking about it? Is it suitable for your next career? What do you think?
Yeah, for me, recently I developed passion for this aesthetic gynae, and I feel like I am blessed to have Dr. Özger as a mentor, and I am super happy to start this new career. And I was very much happy about the course itself. It was very nice, organized, and I will definitely recommend Dr. Özger and PSP Medicals.
Thank you very much. I want to talk with you. What's your option? What's your ideas about this course?
Okay, for me, this course
because you are really eager to learn everything. You ask lots of questions, and I know that you are very happy at the end of the course. Can I reply your all questions in your mind?
Yeah, you did. The course was amazing. The organization, starting from clearing my query before joining the course, they helped me throughout my session. They helped me when I'm here. The course mentor was extremely good. Everything was super nice. You teach us very good techniques to apply on the patient, from the basics to the clinical part. It was amazing, and I will highly recommend this course, Dr. Özger, for my patients and for my other colleagues. It was really good experience working with you, and we learned a lot of new techniques, new tricks from you, the things that you apply on your patient. You clearly share this with us. It was really amazing. It was really amazing course and really amazing for us.
Thank you very much.
I would just add it was really the sentence like sharing is caring, so it was like that. So he taught us through his heart.
And my dear colleague from Sharjah.
Yeah, from Sharjah. Although I joined many aesthetic courses, okay, but no one giving from his heart like Dr. Özger.
Thank you very much.
Really, okay. You gave what his experience, okay, and the summary of this years that he doing the aesthetic gynae, okay. He gave it to us in 3 days, and it is enough for us. We know very minimal, and this the tricky thing, okay, that sometimes we cannot notice it, okay, when we are doing, but when we are saying Dr. Özger, especially his videos, okay, he gave us all the videos, all the data that he knows, okay, so we know that from minimum to maximum, okay, what about our patient, how we can care for them pre and intra and post-op. I highly recommend Dr. Özger for anyone who want to start this aesthetic gynae.
Thank you very much. And our dear colleague from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Now it's your turn, because you're coming for a long way.
Yeah, okay. Because previously I know Dr. Özger just from Instagram. So now learning person to person from him is actually very blessing. Okay, so I learned many things that I wish I learned from anyone else, but today, Alhamdulillah, I get the opportunity to learn from amazing doctor. Okay, I hope that I can reach him after this in Istanbul. Okay, so yeah, the course is good, the food is good. Okay, I really recommend this course to all doctors that have special interest in cosmetic gynecology.
I will add one thing. Dr. Özger, as a doctor-wise and a human-wise, okay, he's a perfect. Okay, join Dr. Özger, okay, and you will see, okay,
you will see the difference.
Yeah, the difference and what you can reach.
At the end of the course, we are very happy. I am very happy to hear this beautiful ideas and opinion from you. And if you want to be happy, we are looking forward to see you in Dubai.